Dollar update on the 14th. I've been doing a lot of dollar updates lately because it's the most important thing to look at right now, in my opinion. Yields too, but if you're watching the dollar, you can kind of get a sense of how many people and um, to what extent people are going cash. And that's why the market is falling. They're pulling out of the market and going into the dollar. And so it's getting stronger. Tomorrow is going to be very, very huge to see where we're going with the dollar. But my video yesterday, I had us in the fourth wave, B wave, and I said we're going to come down here to about 100. It's either going to be that scenario, or I redid my counts today just to make sure. And it's also possible that we have 1, 2, if you look in the monthly chart, we have 1, 2, and we're still in the third wave. It never even started the fourth wave. And I'm starting to think that that is more likely. The thing with the dollar is it's such a long, drawn out move. Like this has been going on for 14 years that there's so many different little waves involved in this. Like these are 2-month waves, but then you have to zoom out to the weekly chart to even see them. If I zoomed into the 1 hour or 2 hour chart, I wouldn't even be able to see all these. There'd be too many markings to even try to chart it with Elliot Wave. So even on the weekly chart, it's kind of hard to chart. But let's just go over it right now. We have 1, 2, and then I see 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then that would mean, if this is correct, we would see a fifth wave right here. And the target for that would be these lines I already have marked right here at 106.56 and 107.84. It's also possible that we already finished it, and either way, I don't think there's that much upside for the dollar short term. And we will see on the monthly chart. I'll wait for the monthly chart to confirm, but the monthly chart should have a red bar down to, let's say we go to 106. We would be looking for a pullback to a minimum of 102.54, possibly all the way down to 100. If this is the top right here today, then we'd be looking for about 102 all the way down to 99.6. So either way, we're about to consolidate for the fourth wave. Again, either going to be a C wave down or A wave down. Either way, consolidation is coming. If Powell raises rates tomorrow, we might get one more push to the upside. And that's a very possible scenario. Maybe we get the dollar coming down a little bit. We come up here to like 375, 380, and then we get a move down here, maybe down to like 365, 368. And then the dollar starts its fourth wave and we start melting up into this area right here. So that's kind of what I'm expecting. I'm very confident we're going to consolidate, whether it's the fourth wave A wave or the fourth wave C wave, but we have to just wait till tomorrow and see. But watch the dollar, very important for all the stocks. If we get a move down to 100, we're going to see some stocks take off though. Growth stocks will take off, and that's what I'm expecting. And we'll get the VIX probably starting to come down back towards 20, and yields will probably come down as well. So keep an eye on the dollar tomorrow and see where the cash is moving, and just expect for a drop here soon. But then if we do get the drop, so let's say we get the drop down just to 102.41, then we'd be looking for 111 to 113 for the overall fifth wave to be finished. Let's go over here and look at the chart. 111 to 113. Where's that level been before? Yeah, so maybe somewhere in this area. And not getting above this high right here. And then as you can see, 111 to 113, that would finish the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth wave. And then we would look for consolidation. And this is why I think that we'll hit all-time highs within the next year or so, because we hit 111, we're going to consolidate all the way back down to at least 91, possibly all the way down to 86. So if we go from 111 to 91 or 86, the market is going to take off. So that's your update. Expect consolidation soon, whether it's a fourth wave A wave or a fourth wave C wave. And as you can see, we're overbought as well. So let's see what happens tomorrow. Good luck tomorrow trading, and let's hope we start melting up here soon.